Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to replace a music track using Creator Music in YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to replace a music track on YouTube video, you need to first of all go to YouTube Studio. So once you go to YouTube Studio, you need to go and simply tap on the content section, which is on the bottom. So once you have done this, select the video, and once you have selected the video as well, you can simply open the editor option or like edit option. So once you've selected this, in the editor section, navigate to audio and preview new music from the provided library and click the add button. You can then adjust the new track's position on the timeline before clicking save. So this is how you can simply replace a music track using Creator's Music in your YouTube video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.